Hey everyone, it's Robert Hall, and today we're back with another group buy, this time on the Flashpoint Evolv 200 Pro. First off, I want to thank everyone who took part in the Xplor 400 Pro group buy. That one is now over, completely done, but hundreds of you guys fulfilled your orders, and hundreds of you guys now have the Xplor 400 Pro at a significantly reduced price. So thanks everyone for taking part so that everyone could save the maximum amount. Now, I took your feedback from the first group buy as well as polled everyone to see what they would like to see that apply to in the future, and ultimately you guys landed on the Evolv 200 Pro. The Evolv 200 Pro is the same as the Godox AD200 Pro, and it is by far the most popular light that Godox makes, at least the original AD200 and now its successor. So I'm not surprised to see that it's the one that people wanted to see the group buy apply to next. For this group buy, I worked with Adorama to design two options for kits that you can do the Evolv 200 Pro, and I took your feedback here too, guys, because a lot of you said that, hey, I don't need another stand, so we left the stand out of this one. Okay, so kit number one includes the Evolv 200 Pro. That's going to be its base kit with the Barebulb, with the Fresnel Head, with the battery pack, with the new improved stand attachment, all inside a bag. And then it's going to have some other accessories with it. It's going to come with the H200R. This is the round head, the new third head for the AD200. This is also backwards compatible with the original AD200. Then on top of that, you're going to get the AKR1 accessory kit for the round head, which means all of the magnetic accessories. That kit includes a gel holder. It comes with barn doors, a grid, a snoot, a sphere, and gels, but I don't like the gels. Everything else is cool though. You're also going to get a 25-inch glow easy lock quick octa. Very simple octabox, pops open very quickly and is awesome for run and gun users of the AD200 as a small softbox option. And finally, this kit is going to include the new updated S bracket. So that S bracket is much better designed to actually accommodate the round head, as well as working with the V1, and just looks like a much improved design overall. They also improved the handle. They changed the umbrella mechanism. It can accept an 8400 Pro on the back, which is just ridiculous. So I'm really looking forward to getting my sample of that. Those were just announced recently, but this kit is going to include them. Now, because we only have two kits this time instead of three, and because the Evolv 200 Pro is so much more popular, and because we had hundreds of users take advantage of it last time, our numbers this time are a little bit different in order to get advantage of the maximum savings. So right away, that whole kit will be $555, but if we have 100 people take part, it's going to bring it down 10% to $515. If we have 250 people take part, it's going to bring it down 15% to $487. If we have 500 people take part, it's 20% off for $458. And if we have 1,000 people take part in this kit, we're going to get 30% off, which is ridiculous, for $401 on this entire kit. Now, there were also a lot of people that were interested in this, the Zoom Lion X with the round head, aka the Godox V1. A lot of people wanted to see a sale on this. So I got a bundle deal if you're willing to buy these two together. You get the Evolv 200 Pro, you get the Zoom Lion X, you get the same 25-inch quick octa that I had just talked about in the other kit, and you get the new S bracket, which finally accommodates the Zoom Lion X or the Godox V1. So we've got the newest speedlite paired with the newest off-camera flash, all on sale, and total that kit comes out to $694. For taking part in the deal, it goes down to $673. 100 buyers, 10% off at $624. 250 buyers, 15% off at $589. 500 buyers, 20% off at $550. And 1,000 buyers, 30% off, $485 for both of these and those other accessories. Just like last time, I'll keep a running tally in the comments. If you followed the last one, then you already know how this goes. But if you're new here, a few little details and things that we learned from doing the last one. One, USA and Canada are going to be the only ones that can take advantage of this sale. I'd love for this to be worldwide, but given that Adorama is in the US, shipping outside of Canada and the US just doesn't really make sense when it comes to your discount. Will be completely overridden by the shipping cost, so there's no point in taking part. Two, a lot of times people filled out the email multiple times last time. That is completely unnecessary. Just Tell us what kit you want in the email, hit submit once. Unless you like misspelled your email or something, there is no reason to send it to me again. Last time, a lot of people said that they never got the email, but I guarantee that it just was either in a spam, promotion folder, clutter folder, or the like. If you want to be sure that you're going to get this deal, just make sure that you're looking for an email from info@robhallphoto.com. This is going to be open until October 21st, which is good because I'll be leaving for New York the next day, so we'll want all those emails out by October 22nd. So yeah, you have 2 weeks to take part and join in, and then you'll see what the discount is applied, and then you can complete your sale once we send you the redemption email. All right, everyone, so the opt-in link so that you can submit your email, that is linked in the description, as well as the first comment. I'll keep that pinned and update it with the running tally. So if you're wondering how many people have opted in, you can see that number in the pinned comment. We'll update daily. Again, Francisco and I are kind of tag teaming this deal, so everyone who opts in from one audience, it helps the other audience. We're working together here. This isn't a competition at all. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this offer. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Subscribe if you want to see more, and until next time, keep on shooting. Gotta go, my wife is home. My wife is like, where the hell are you?